Hello my fellow friends, my name is Sadie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a nighttime routine. I put stuff on my face, I do stuff to my hair, So let's get to it! First off, I'm going to have my clothes. Then I'm going to grab a towel to dry me off. And then I'm going to open the shower, and there's this weird thing in that bathtub. Ugh. Then I'm gonna put the towel down. Great. I'm gonna move this towel because it's in my way and it's really freaking annoying. Great. Just great. I'm gonna turn on the shower. Great. Great. Take out my hair from the day. But it can't come out. Until now. Great. Great. Just got out of the shower. All wet and clean. Put on some lotion that I dropped. Yep, put that on there. Great. Great. All done. Great. Brushing my teeth. Gotta brush those fangs. And I guess my under chin. Great. Put my clothes in my pile. Great. Getting all ready for bed with my skincare Marie Badescu. Put it all over my face. Okay. Then my Neutrogena Natural Moisturizer. I'm gonna put that on my hand. Great. Then I'm gonna put it all over my face. Make sure I get it all up there and on there. All smoothed out. Yeah. Yep, good, great. Take this towel out of my hair, great, great. Then I'm gonna go in with my tea tree conditioner for my hair. It's very great to condition your hair. I'm gonna put that all on your hand. I just put enough on there. Yeah, and then I'm gonna, mix it all up in your hands. And I'm gonna apply that to your hair, going from the base to the ends. Great. And I'm gonna find some hair come out. And you know what? That's just always great, Yeah, I don't know what just happened, but I think I was trying to fight a fly. Oh, and my comb. Yes, comb out your hair. And then I'm gonna go in with my Paul Mitchell strength spray to strengthen your hair, especially when I, tinted my hair a few months ago. So I gotta have that for my hair. Great. I'm gonna go with my foaming Tame Frizz stuff. And I'm gonna apply that. It looks like whipped cream, but I shouldn't eat it, no. Then you're gonna apply that from the base to the ends, making sure you get that everywhere so it's not frizzy. Great. And then I'm going to French braid my hair for the night so it's kind of out of my way, and then I can have some wavy hairstyle for the next day. So there's that. And then I gotta head to bed. Great. Well, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe down below, and make sure you follow me on social media at slim.sadity and add me on Snapchat by scanning this code right here. Anywho, yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna shut up now. Okay, goodbye. And at this very moment, I just farted and it stunk so bad. It smelled like rotten eggs, and why did I just stop? But yeah, ew. Oh.